بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, are you watching your video classes? Okay, very good. And after watching your daily video classes, you have to complete the homework task which is given in the end of each video. Okay, students? Now this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay students, first of all you have to open page 30. This is page 30 and in this video we are doing 3 pages, 30, 31 and 32. So first of all we are doing page 30. Hurry up, open it. Okay students, on page 30 we are having the question less than and more than and its revision. Less than and more than. What is less than? Less than shows less quantity of anything. कोई भी चीज़ अगर less quantity में होती है हम वहाँ लिखते हैं we have to write there less than. And more than shows more quantity of anything. कोई भी चीज़ अगर more quantity यानी ज़्यादा quantity में होती है तो हम वहाँ लिखते हैं more than. We have to write there more than. Okay, very good. As you can see the example that this vase has less number of flowers. And this vase has more number of flowers. So less number of flowers, more number of flowers. Okay, less number of flowers and more number of flowers. Very good. So here we are having example 1. Okay, this is your example 1. What is example 1? Fill in the blanks by using less or more. Fill in the blanks by using less or more. We have to write less or more over here. Here you are having two glasses of juice. Okay. A is more. It is more in quantity and this is less in quantity. It is more in quantity and more in quantity, less in quantity. Okay, you can see students, very good. So what we will write over here? This glass has more juice. This glass has more juice. This glass has less juice. Very good. Repeat with me. This glass has more juice. More juice. This glass has less juice. Okay, hurry up, write with me. Okay students, now you can see this glass has more juice. We have written here more and we have written here less because this glass has less juice. And now this basket has more apples. These are the more apples, so we have written here more apples. And this basket has less apples, so we have written here less apples. More apples and less apples. More apples, less apples. Okay, very good. Please do your work in a very neat and clean writing. Okay students, now it's time for page 31. This is page 31. As you can see, this is page 31. Okay, so what we are going to do today on page 31, we have exercise 1C. Write less or more. Again we are having less or more. Okay, so we will compare. We are having apples and we are having bananas, and the question is apples are dash than banana. Apples are dash than banana. Apples are less or more? Let's check. Oh, apples are more than bananas because there are so many apples and there are only 2 bananas. So we will write over here that apples are more than banana. Write down here more. Okay students, we have written here that apples are more than bananas because apples जो हैं वो banana से ज़्यादा हैं, इसलिए हमने लिखे हैं apples are more, ज़्यादा than banana. ठीक है. And now part B, strawberries are less than ice cream. Count the strawberries. These are the strawberries 1 2 3 4 5 and these are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are 7 ice creams. So we will write here strawberries are less than ice cream. Less. Strawberries are less in quantity. So we have written here less. ठीक है, ज़्यादा चीज़ के लिए more and कम चीज़ के लिए less. Okay, now see here. How many bees are these? These are 5 bees. And how many ants are these? These are 8 ants. So ants are more than bees. Ants are more than bees. More. Okay. Very good. So now on page 31 we are having this question. Use less than or more than in the following blanks. Okay, we have to compare the numbers. Then we will write less than or more than. A. Part A is 23 and 11. Which number is capital, students? Sorry, which number is greater? 23 is more, is big number. This is the big number, so we will write 23 is more than 11. 23 more than 11. Okay. And on this side 18 less than 19. 18 is a smaller number, so we will write 18 is less than 19. 36 more than 22 because 36 is bigger number. And then 42, 42 is more than 30. 42 is bigger number than 30, so 42 more than 30. And then part E, 49 more than 40, obviously. Okay, 49 is bigger number than 40. And now on part F, 39 is less than 53. 39 जो है वो smaller number है, इसलिए 39 is less than 53. Okay students, please do your work in a very neat and clean writing. Have you understood the concept of less than and more than? जब हमारे पास कोई ग्रेटर चीज़ होती है या ज़्यादा होती है कोई क्वांटिटी में, तो हम वहाँ पे मोर यूज़ करते हैं. And when we are having a smaller number or a smaller quantity of anything, we will use less there. ठीक है? Very good. Let's move towards page 32. Okay students, page 32 is very easy. As you can see, there are chicks, and these are the chicks, and parrots and butterflies, and what's the in the end? These are the bananas. So what we have to do, we will compare them. Okay, we will compare them. Like, where are the chicks? These are the chicks. Okay, you can see these are the chicks, and chicks are eating this, so we will make a line over there. We are matching. Okay, chicks eat these grains, so we will match these. And what about parrots? Parrots are living in cages. Okay, parrots are living in cages, so we will match these. And then the butterflies, they are flying over the sunflowers, so we will match them. And monkeys are eating bananas. Monkeys are eating bananas, so we will match this. Okay, very good. Okay students, I hope you have understood today's class and you have enjoyed a lot. So now it's your homework time. And what's your homework? Let's check what I'm giving you for homework. I'm giving you, this is page 30 and page 31. Okay, and then the next page 33. Page 33. These 3 pages are in your homework. Page 30, 31 and 32 are your homework. You have to complete these pages, and then you have to share the picture of these pages in your WhatsApp group. Okay students, आपने ये 3 pages complete करने हैं, then इनकी pictures आपने अपने WhatsApp group में share करनी है. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home my dear students. Stay safe. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.